Hello students, welcome to Brain Teasers with Abhishek Anand, your educator on Unacademy, India's largest learning online platform. Today, this would be question 2 of my series of Brain Teasers. I've already given you the introduction of why this series. So let's start quickly with the question. So you may just pause the video here and try to solve the question and then come to the solution. I'm not giving you much time to solve it in the live mode. So you can pause the video here and solve it and then come to a solution. Also, you can see there my link to my Telegram channel. On this channel, I would provide the question in the PDF form. Plus the other videos also you can find it here. So I'll start with the solution. Okay. So if you read this caselet, I have done question number 1 here, in which the pirate who was making the proposal cannot vote, right? The person could not have voted. So these are the 5 pirates. You are the senior most pirate here. And as I mentioned in that question, if you were to think from this guy's point of view, there are multiple combinations, right? You can give, let's say, 0 coin to yourself and distribute other coins to others in some ratio. So there are multiple combinations. But think from this guy's point of view. What will happen when this guy is alone on the boat? He will give all the coins to himself, right? The only criteria that we have to solve this question is all the pirates are smart and all of them are greedy, right? So if this guy is alone on the boat, and as formality, what will be his proposal? I'll give all the coins to myself. Think when only these two are there, the youngest and the second youngest pirate. When only these two are there, what will be his proposal? See, this guy now has all the motivation to say no to the proposal, right? Because if he says no, he gets all the coins. So, what do you think if you were this guy? What will be your proposal? You cannot get any coin here, guys. All you can do is save your life. So, your proposal will be I take 0, you take 100. And you will be extremely loud in this case, right? You will say, okay, I 0, you 100, right? You'll make that, you'll ensure that he understands the proposal because he is ready to say no to any of your proposal, right? So this is a proposal that you'll make to save your life. Now, this number 3, he knows when he's off the boat, this proposal will be made and will be accepted. So he has to think from these two guys' point of view who will be voting for him. And if he's out of the boat, he knows this proposal will be accepted. So when he proposes, this guy and this guy votes. So who will he try to convince here? Who will he try to convince here? See, he can't convince number 1 because 1, if he rejects this proposal, he is getting all 100 coins. So it doesn't make sense to motivate him, but he can influence this guy. So he'll say, you take 1, I give him 0, and I take 99. Who are the two people who vote? Number 2 and number 1. Number 2 would be inclined, will definitely vote for him because he is smart and greedy. Because he's greedy, he knows 1 is better than 0. And because he is smart, he knows that if he doesn't accept this offer, he has to make this offer. So now, this guy, the second most senior pirate, would know that if he's off the boat, the third pirate will make this proposal and will be accepted. When he is making the proposal, who all will vote? 3, 2 and 1 will vote. So what is the 50%, minimum 50% of this? He needs to have 2 votes in his favor. So who will he try to convince? He can't convince 3. If he has to convince 3, he has to give him all 100 coins. So he will give him 0 to be on the safer side here, because 2 as it is will get 1 coin from 3. To ensure that he definitely votes for him, he will give 1 vote here, 2 coins here and 1 to him. Now both 2 and 1 will vote in favor of 4, because otherwise 2 was getting 1 coin from 3 and 0 coin from 1. This is when they reject 4's offer. And 4 will give himself how many coins? 97 coins. So now if you are the senior most pirate, you know this proposal will be made and will be accepted, right? This proposal will be made and will be accepted. So when you are making the proposal, how many people will vote? 1, 2, 3, 4. You need 2 votes in your favor. So who would you like to convince? You will convince number 3 by giving him 1 coin, and this youngest pirate by giving him 2 coins. Others will get 0 and you will get 97 coins. So this would be the breakup in your case. And the condition which changed, which I changed here as compared to the previous question is the pirate making the proposal cannot vote. So if this been a situation, what will happen? In my previous question, brain teaser question number one, the question was if even you can vote, the person who's making the proposal, even that person can vote. So if you want to have a look at that question, the solution of that question, the link is here. You can click, not click on this, but you can copy this and go to that video. So here it is. This is my question number two of brain series. I intend to do try. I'll try to put one question daily, and this is a good brain exercise. This will help you acquire skills to solve logical reasoning questions or on logical reasoning, data interpretation section of CAT and various other logical reasoning exams. Also, guys, if you're not on Unacademy, you're missing out a lot. Try to come on Unacademy, explore the platform. There are brilliant teachers, amazing content. You'll fall in love with that, right? And whenever you subscribe for anything on Unacademy, use my code, which is ANAN11. You get discount, I get validation that what I do here is being liked by the students. So with that, I end my session. See you with my question number 3 soon.